Good morning, children. Today, let us start the new chapter, Data Handling. In this chapter, we are going to discuss with what is data, collection and organization of data, representation of data in the form of pictograph and bar graph. Two cricket scoreboards have been illustrated here. You know that in a game of cricket, the information recorded is not simply about who won or who lost. In this scoreboard, you will find some equally important information about the game. For instance, you may find out the time taken and the number of balls faced by the highest run scorer. For example, from the first scoreboard, name of the bowlers are A, B, C, D. The bowler A, in 10 overs, 2 overs were maiden overs and he has given 40 runs and he has taken 3 wickets. Similarly, B, C, D also we can read from this scoreboard. And the batsman E has taken 45 runs and within 62 balls within the time limit 75 minutes. Similarly, we can read the remaining batsmen F, G, H also. Similarly, in your day-to-day life, you must have seen several kinds of tables consisting of numbers, figures, names, etc. These tables provide data. Thus, a data is a collection of numbers gathered to give some information. For getting some information about a topic, first we have to collect some data about it. After that, we have to record it. For example, the teacher asks the students to give their choice of fruits out of banana, apple, orange or guava. This list would help the teacher to distribute fruits according to their choice. Here, 20 students' choice of fruits are given. If the teacher wants to know the number of bananas required for the class, she has to read the names in the list one by one and count the total number of bananas required. How tedious and time consuming it is. Therefore, after recording the data, we need to organize it. Organization of data. To get a better understanding, we arrange the data in tabular form to make our work easier. For that, we have to draw a table with heading, name of the fruit, tally marks and number of fruits. And then we have to read each item, means each choice of fruit, and against each fruit we can put a tally marks, and the fifth mark in the group of 5 marks should be used as a cross as shown by like this. And these are called tally marks. Thus, banana 5 plus 3, 8 children like banana. Similarly, apple 4 children like apple. Guava 5. Orange 3. Thus, we can arrange the data in a tabular form. Let us try this question. Ekta is asked to collect the data for size of shoes of students in her class 6. Her findings are recorded in the manner shown below. Prepare a table using tally marks. First, we need to draw the column with the heading, size of the shoe, tally marks and number of students. And we have to arrange the size of the shoe. Size of the shoe is starting from 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, and then put tally marks according to against each number and we can arrange the data in a tabular form. For easy to understand, after organization of data or after expressing in the tabular form, the data can be arranged in the form of pictograph. Then what is pictograph? The pictograph is a pictorial representation of data. Here, data is represented using images of the objects. For example, the number of strawberries eaten by a student is shown below. Here, in January, 4 pictures are shown. Here, under the table, it is represented, one picture represents 2 strawberries. Therefore, in January, 4 pictures are shown here. Therefore, 4 into 2, 8 strawberries are represented. Similarly, February, 2 pictures are shown here. Therefore, total number of strawberries is equal to 2 into 2, 4. And in March, 3 into 2, 6. April, 6 into 2, 12 strawberries. Thus, from the picture itself, we can easily read the table properly. Interpretation of a pictograph. Let us discuss how to read a pictograph. For example, the following pictograph shows the number of absentees in a class of 30 students during the previous week. On Monday, here 5 faces are shown here. Therefore, on Monday, 5 students were absent. Tuesday, 4 students were absent. Wednesday, 2. Thursday, no one. Friday, 1 student was absent. Saturday, 8 students were absent. Let us discuss the following questions. On which day were the maximum number of students absent? Maximum absentees were on Saturday. There are 8 pictures in the row for Saturday. On all other days, the number of pictures or number of faces are less. Which day had full attendance? Against Thursday, there is no picture or no face, that is, no one is absent. Thus, on that day, the class had full attendance. What was the total number of absentees in that week? There are 20 pictures in all, so the total number of absentees in that week was 20. Let us discuss one more example. The colors of fruits preferred by people living in a locality as shown by the following pictograph. Here, on the top of the table, one picture represented by 10 people. Let us answer the question. Find the number of people preferring blue color. Blue color is preferred by 50 people. Since one picture is equal to 10, so 5 picture indicate 5 into 10 is equal to 50. Second question, how many people liked red color fruits? Deciding the number of people liking red color needs more care. For 5 complete pictures, we get 5 into 10, 50 people. For the last incomplete picture, we may roughly take it as 5. So, number of people preferring red color is nearly 55. Let us try one more question. Following is the pictograph of the number of wristwatches manufactured by a factory in a particular week. On this table, on the top, it is written, one picture shows 100 wristwatches. Here, some questions are there. We can complete the following table and find the answers. Monday, there are 6 pictures. Therefore, number of wristwatches manufactured on Monday is equal to 600. Tuesday, there are 7 pictures and one more half picture is also shown. Therefore, we can say that more than 700 and less than 800 wristwatches are manufactured on Tuesday. Similarly, on Wednesday, there are 6 pictures and one half is also given. Therefore, there are a number of wristwatches manufactured on Wednesday is between 600 and 700. Similarly, we can complete the remaining table also. I hope all of you understood about what is data and how to collect, record and organize a data in the tabular form and how to represent it on a pictograph. Thank you.